Hi, this is Rich from A1 Foundation Crack Repair, known as the Crackman, and I'm here with Brendan Kilcoyne, a VP of H&K Insurance Agency. One thing I'd like to talk about is water infiltration and also water when a pipe bursts. What policy covers it, or do they cover it?
Yeah, the pipe burst is certainly the easier one to cover. Typically, there's not a lot of confusion around where the water came from. There was a toilet that leaked or a pipe that was frozen and burst. The trouble we find there is when you're in an association where units are stacked on top of each other. And Unit 301 doesn't understand why they have to pay for the damage in their unit caused by a pipe burst in Unit 401 because the water came down. And it's just, unfortunately, the risk of living in a condominium association. You share walls with neighbors, shared space, and unless you can prove some sort of negligence from the unit above you, they didn't mean to harm your unit from a pipe burst. But that's something that's always been a little tough to explain to a unit owner who's got their kitchen damaged because of the unit above them, and they wonder, why does my insurance have to pay for it? In regards to water coming in from the outside, foundational damages and groundwater is very difficult to find coverage for. There is a coverage called backup of sewers and drains. It's also called sump pump coverage. And if you have water coming in from an increase of rain that has caused an overflow of your drains, or if you have water in your basement and your sump pump fails, you can find coverage for that.
I see that in my business all the time. Every time I see a sump pump in a house, or we're putting in a sump pump, I tell the people right away, contact your insurance agency, get a rider for your sump pump. It's very inexpensive and it can save a lot of money. In fact, it saved a lot of money for my daughter years back in her house. Thank you very much for that insight.
Thanks, Rich.